Hi, I'm Stephen, and I made this. I don't know if that's going to show up well on camera. Yeah, so I made this kind of as a little side project, but I thought I'd show you how to make it because I think it turned out pretty well. So this is a Nordic compass. This is the base, but the inscriptions around is just the alphabet from what I could find out from different like community posts and stuff like that. And yeah, so I made this nightlight from an old broken downlight, which is why it has this kind of color. It was flickering and broken. I think it has something to do with the capacitor, maybe. It seemed to hold the charge. I don't know why it broke, but yeah. So I got both pieces, and I'll show the other side as well, which is all red. So I cut out on this side so it would come through better and engraved, and then did black around the edges, but the red will still come through, or it should. Yeah, it should show on camera. And then just scooped out a bit so I could put the red in. It took probably maybe 30 hours to do that, but I was kind of doing it a bit slow, didn't have a very good technique or completely proper tools. Also, it's quite a hard material, so if you had something like a laser cutter, you could probably do it within an hour, maybe. But yeah, so it's white. So this was the kind of final thing that I did, was turning this into brushed steel look with a just a wire brush drill thing. I can't remember what it's called. And then I put it onto this piece of wood. I grooved out the piece of wood. That took a while, I guess. And then I made this slot for this piece, and then just attached a light to it. Tried to do sunken bolt things. Yeah, the nut on the bolt, I tried to sink it in, which worked pretty well because I had to do it on this one, so then the light would still hit. But yeah, I also had to chop out, I don't know if you can see this rim here. I had to chop it out, so I drilled it out because it was metal. I thought it was plastic, but it's metal. And that's what the electrical system clips to, so it clips on like that. So I had to take the electrical systems out, take the LEDs out. It has a backing card as well. I took that out and then drilled all the holes for it to get the discs. Then the light could pass through, as you can see, it passes through. But yeah, it was quite a simple build, and I think it's very easy to do. I think the lights cost me this light cost me £7. Yeah, so every day, just little push lights. That one, these aren't got the batteries in, but they're battery powered, so it's portable as well. Yeah, I'm just gonna probably do some nice shots of it and maybe put that on screen now. What else? Oh yeah, with the actual printing it on, because it's transparent if you put it, I got this template online and then drew it on twice, making sure that I got it in the center. So, and making sure that they'd line up. I mean, they do line up pretty well. There's one which is a little bit off, which is this one here, but all the rest seem to work pretty fine. But yeah, I think it's just a nice, cool little nightlight project from reusing a light. So yeah, just a short video really. But if you like this and you think I should do more, in fact, I'm planning on using another bit of waste products to make another light to use up these two. So that will be out in 2 weeks if I make it, but there'll be another video if not in 2 weeks time. But yeah, leave a like on this video, leave a comment on what video I should make next. It really helps out a lot, because doing DIY videos every 2 weeks, you get some boring ones if I can't think of a really good idea. Subscribe as well and put the bell on so then you know when the videos actually arrive, because YouTube doesn't tell you anymore if you don't put the bell on. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.